Load your family into the 2007 Lincoln Navigator. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, front and rear air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, adjustable pedals, and power seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. State-of-the-art amenities, such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory, yield a more personal driving experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features, such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.